Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka company 24/7 AI kadai ka company ka beningkong ban bu ya ka international BPO ka bala trekam haslong haki arsnem ki bala deb bat kani ka company ka don haslong technology park sauli bat kani ka company kala nang yar nadu ka teka por ha ka bala long ka jing plelat plilenti na ka benta ki samla ha ka leng ka jela ka 24/7 AI kadai ka company ka ba ajing tmu ye ki breo ban long ki Nongtrei da ka mon ladi lani da ka jingjit ladi bad harengkat ka rai ban plelat badru ban pen i ye ki sapten rai ki bagi don ban train ka benta ki sanspa atli ki company ha keleng kiri ka perthai da ka baki syong ban trei nalaying kani ka lat ai kam ai jam kala sedang ban yar sha ka arpusan hajar square feet ha Shillong Technology Park bat kadai kepada don benta ban itho ya ka sap ka phong jong ki khna samla bat ru ban penkela ya ka sap ka baki don sha ka lawai nakila trekam ka babhatam kani ka company menta ka khmi banya ban nang sai shisho ya ki la trekam ha Meghalaya lingba kitna trekam jongka ya ki bala tip kum ki corporate social responsibility ki bala pentrei hapo ka 27 AI Foundation Bat kum shibenta na kajing temu jongka ban bu ya ka Meghalaya ha ka global ITES map ka company kan penlot ban shna ya ka ecosystem of industry ready BPO ki badan ya ka sap ka batbin habayo ban ya kran bat ka wei na ki batrei hapo kani ka company ka samla Delphinia dhar kalayat ho ba kala trei hapo ka company 24/7 AI la kum ba soundsnem AI bat ningkong kala sedang ban trei ha kani ka company ka badan ha Bangalore Henry hakapor baka trei hakajala Bangalore la kumba arsnem ai kala hap ban wan paino shapo kajala la jong namar ka jingwan lin shop jong ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 kini ka samla kala Pynpaw ru bahadin shisnam baka lawan pai shapo kajala kala dap da ka jingkemen ban tip ba ka company 24/7 AI kala wan ban bu ya ka slem trekam hapo nong ba Shillong kasamla Delphinia kala Pynpaw baka ka ba penlong ya ka ban sngotenat ban trei hapo ka 24/7 AI ka long namar baka ka slem trekam ka don ya ka jingyo i jingai man kenteo ya ka roy ka keo jong ki samla bat jong ka jela kala ong bakum ka Nongtrei ka batrei hapo kani ka company la kong ba soundsnem AI kala yo Jinghikai shibun bat ki ba ai jingirap ya ka ban long kumbakalong menta Nakaliang kawai pat ka Nongtrei ka baterai hapo ka teka slem trekam ka kong Marilyn Nongkenri ka ka manager for administration and facilities hapo ka company 24/7 AI kalayat ho bakala trei ha ka teka slem trekam menta la arsnem bat kalaong baka teka company kala ai ka jing sarong bat ka jing kemen ya ka bat ka bakam kong san ka day bakala yo ban khet yo so jong ka jing job hadin bakala yo ya ka khusnam Ham Excellent Award arajar arpuar kala ongru bakum ka kemi ka badan arngut ki khon ki ti ka te ka company ka ai por ya ka bakan yo ya kalat ban trei suk bat trei bha ya ka kam jongka la ka long hapo jing trei ni trei na ying na sam
Kublai, it's a pleasure to meet with all of you today. My name is Meena Nair. I'm the Senior Vice President of 24/7.ai and I'm here to give you a quick brief on what we are doing as 24/7 at Meghalaya. Our first association with Shillong was when we had employees who came from Shillong to our Bangalore center. This was many years ago, and that's when we actually realized that the people of Shillong really are so warm and so empathetic, and there's so much that they can do to enrich and enhance customer experience that we wanted to come to Shillong and set up our business here. And some years later, we've been able to do that. And today we have a center here in Shillong. And I think it has been a wonderful experience for all of us to come to Shillong. The people of Shillong are very hospitable, very welcoming, and very, very warm and caring. And we've had a wonderful experience so far. As far as the government is concerned, I think the Honorable Chief Minister and his entire team has been very, very supportive. I remember when we first met the Chief Minister, he told us that we want you to be partners with us, and that's what we are trying to do here to be partners really and not just business entities. And to that end, one of the things that we are doing is our community services. We've just started our youth skilling program, our vocational training program called Project Udan, where we've already trained the first batch of 14 trainees. And we're hoping to expand and increase this over a period of time. Also, we've got various other projects that we want to run. 24/7 is a 23-year-old company. We're in various geographies in South America, North America, in Philippines, and in 3 centers in India, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and now Shillong. And we sincerely hope that we'll be, a long-term partnership in Shillong as well.
Shillong.
Because of the people. I think Shillong is a beautiful place, so I think that would be, anybody would love to be in Shillong. But I think what's more important is the people, and our business is about empathy. Our business is about customer service. Our business is about resolving people's problems with warmth and care. And I think all of this is very visible in the people of Shillong, the youth of Shillong particularly. So I think that has been one of the most important reasons for us to come to Meghalaya. And I think the second reason for coming to Meghalaya is also the support we've got from the government of Meghalaya as well as from all departments of Meghalaya. They've been very, very supportive. Everything that we have sought, the support we've asked for, the help that we've needed has been given to us and at speed. So the ease of doing business has been very, very good so far in Meghalaya. Okay. So diversity, equity and inclusion is one of the most important agendas for 24/7 in all our locations, particularly in Shillong because we have a high diversity ratio. We have a lot of women working and therefore we have a lot of development programs for women. This comes under the umbrella of what we call Shakti. Shakti has 3 pillars, which is hiring women, developing them and retaining them. And we have multiple programs under the Shakti program. We also have a lot of training programs that we do for women. We also support women during their time of maternity and also getting them to return to work once their maternity period is over. So we have multiple programs like that for women's development. Apart from that, we have what we call the talent management framework, which is completely focused on career growth. For us, it is very important that our youth who come and join 24/7 have avenues for growth, and therefore we have a complete program starting from Aspire for agents to Bedrock to Elevate and Edifice. These are the different programs that we have which help people to get trained not only in their current jobs but also in potential leadership roles that they can take. And this entire program is called Edifice. Apart from that, I think it's very, very important for us to engage with our people. And 24/7's culture is about happy hearts. It's about creating happy hearts. And the only way that we can do this is to make sure that we engage closely with our agents. And therefore, we have a lot of programs. Just now we had the Summer Carnival, which was very well received by our employees. We believe in rewards and recognition. We think it's important that if somebody does something very well, then they need to be recognized. We have monthly, quarterly and annual rewards and recognition programs. Our annual day, which is called Hum, is a weighted program. We will have it in September in Shillong, when we will be rewarding people who have had great performance, who have showed exemplary behaviors and so on. So multiple ways in which not only are we training people, developing them, but also making sure that they're happy and they stay with the company because they want to.
I have been working in 24/7.ai for close to 4 years now. So I started my journey in 24/7 Bangalore, which I worked there for 2 years. Unfortunately, I had to return home, considering the fact that COVID struck, and my mother was not comfortable with me staying outside, very far away from home, and she's not aware of what's going on in Bangalore. So I had to return home, and a year after I returned from Bangalore to Shillong, I found out that 24/7.ai is setting up a new site in Shillong. I was thrilled about it, first of all, because I had plans to return back to Bangalore and join in 24/7 Bangalore again for the second time. But when I found out that they are planning to set up a site here in Shillong, I was thrilled. So I went for the interview, and on the very same day I got my offer letter. So it's one thing that I like about 24/7 is the fact that there's a lot of growth prospects with 24/7.ai, and also me being the first employee to clear the blueprint certification program is an achievement on its own. And we have a lot of other programs which I am also part of. I am part of the Womenable program, which is a program which enables women to climb up the ladder, to teach on leadership skills. And also we have multiple clubs. We have passion clubs, and and engagement activities, talent management. So we have activities like singing, and you see there's a guitar there behind me. So I'm very passionate about music, and I am part of the music passion club. And we have other activities like we celebrate holidays here in 24/7. We celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate our local holidays as well. Yeah, so currently we are celebrating our anniversary, and we call it an HPL, Hum Premier League, where we celebrate all across the three centers here in Shillong, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So on the last week of September, I think, Priya, on the last week of September will be it'll be the finale for the Hum Premier League, which we are all excited about. And then we have, if you look to your left, you will see that those are the first Hum winners of the Shillong office site. So it's a great achievement for them, and it's a great achievement for the site as a whole as well. And one thing also I like about 24/7 is the fact that it's not about work. We have activities. We have again, coming back to employee engagement activities. We have again the passion club for music, we have for sports, we have for photography, we have all sorts of activities, employee engagement activities as well. So having been an employee for 24/7.ai for almost 4 years now, I have learned a lot. We have had, I've had coaches who's given me coachings and feedbacks and on how to communicate effectively. So I have learned a lot, not just from Bangalore, also in Shillong as well. So if you'd asked me 4 years ago to do this interview, I'd probably back off. But yeah, it has made me, 24/7.ai has made me the person that I am today. And also a BPO sector, especially here in Shillong, because it's a small city, let's say, people look at it in a different light. Compared to Bangalore and Hyderabad and Mumbai or Delhi, we have a lot of call centers and people are working in the night shift. However, here in Shillong, because it is small and because we have that mentality that, oh, she's working at night, oh, we never know what she's doing outside, right? So I just want to tell the people that it's nothing like that. We are all learning, we are all growing together as a community, and we are all working towards the same goal at the end of the day. And I would highly recommend anybody who wants to join the BPO sector. Of course, initially it will be difficult for any other job or any other venture that you set forth. It's going to be difficult initially. However, as time goes by, you will learn to cope up with that. So it's always going to be challenging. However, it's all up to you, because if it is easy, then it's not worth it, I feel. And I have been really patient working in customer service, considering customer service is not a very easy job to do. However, you have to have a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication. You have to put in a lot of patience as well, and that's where you can sow the seeds of success, basically. So yeah, 24/7 is the one place where you can learn, you can grow, and you can earn at the same time. So I would recommend anybody, any youth of Shillong, considering that the unemployment rate here in Meghalaya, in Shillong, is very high. So I would highly refer anybody, or I would recommend anybody to come and work and learn and earn at the same time in 24/7. So, Kublai Shibwan.
Hello everyone, my name is Namit. I'm the country head for 24/7 India. I represent 24/7, which is a global company. We are 23 years into business across 5 different countries, 10 different delivery locations, and catering to all Fortune 100, 500 companies. Our newest feather in the crown has been our location in Shillong. We've been able to add 350 odd heads over the last 1 year and want to continue growing here. What we see in this place is 25,000 square feet of new facility which has been created, state of the art, which pretty much reflects the energy and the enthusiasm of the youth of Shillong. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nongtrei. I'm the manager for administration and facilities for 24/7.ai. I've been working in 24/7 for past 2 years now, and 24/7 has given me a sense of pride, a sense of joy, and most importantly, a sense of achievement. In terms of my recognition awards and things. I've been really appreciated for my work, and it gives me a sense of pleasure, so to say. And as a mother of 2 children, I get to fulfill my roles comfortably, both professionally and personally. So company has given me the flexibility to do that, and I'm very happy with it. And since the last 2 years, post-COVID, as you say, we've been having difficulties in getting jobs and things like that. However, thanks to 24/7, I got this opportunity to start being me again. I could prove myself again. I could do what I love to do, and I'm happy. Thank you.